This is a WOXABHSL 100 amp hour battery. It's a 12 volt solar battery, Lifepo4 battery. You use it for boating, put it on the RV, anywhere off grid that you need 12 volt power. It could be hooked up to a solar panel. You could charge it via an outdoor weatherproof controller and hook it up to the indoor solar controllers and hook up an inverter to run your tools, your hardware, your appliances, whatever you need to use a battery for. While the battery is charging, you have the positive side of the battery terminals with a bolt washer lock wash. You get 3 of them. You get one as a spare, negative and positive. So when you hook up your battery and you want to lift the battery to somewhere else, it's very portable by a strap. The battery weighs about 20 pounds. It's easy to lift up. It's lightweight. It's portable. The straps come off. You simply pull to the side and off they come. Simple as that. To put them on, just simply slide back in and pull up. Portable, move it anywhere you need to have it. Our battery is hooked up to my lights. I simply turn on my timer. And we have solar power, just like that. Running off the battery, 100 amp hour to a solar system of LEDs can be off grid very easily. Check online for further details about the models. They come in about a minimum of 6 models. You have an instruction guide. Storage is 70% capacity to not exceed over the temperatures of 60 Celsius for storage. Reading the voltage is 13.21. You can charge your system with a charger. You could use a solar powered system like a panel and a charger to charge your battery. You could do an internal one of a solar controller, and you could use your system via 12 volts, converters, inverters, and more. Out in the field, using RC products, an inverter, a power source to charge your batteries all day long. The 12.8 volt 100 amp battery should last a very long time depending on your needs, using an inverter of the correct sizes. Charging outside on the solar panel with an outdoor resistant controller or indoor with controllers as well. Using it in sheds, anywhere you need to have running heat, small air conditioners, refrigerators, and more for a number of hours. Batteries, there are endless possibilities. You can use a Lifepo4 battery. It is a battery that you can stand on its side any which way possible. There is no spilling liquid needs. The Lifepo4 battery, I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for, so if you're looking to go in an RV, a boat, a car, house, anywhere you need to run 12 volts or tie batteries together for 24 volts and more, this product may be something that you are after in a Lifepo4 battery, 100 amp hour, 1280 WH power. It is a 12.8 volt system, and thank you very much again for viewing.